Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a Depop account. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or laptops and in the URL box type in depop.com and search. You'll end up in the official website for Depop, where you'll need to go to the top right corner and look for the sign up button to get started and create a new account. Now, in the sign up or login interface, choose how you'd like to sign up with. You can continue signing up with your existing Google account, Apple account, or with an email. I'm going to choose continue with email. On the next page, sign up by entering an email address in the first field. Go ahead and write down a valid email address you have an access to and click continue. Once you do that, go check your email inbox. Open up the same email that you just entered and you'll receive an email from Depop. Click on the link to open it up, click on the mail to open it up, and click on sign up to Depop. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your first name. Select a username and write it down. Select your location from the drop-down. And if you want to receive exclusive offers, trend updates, and tips for shopping and selling on Depop, check this little square box. If not, leave it unchecked and click continue. Now you'll be able to get yourself signed up for Depop. Your Depop account is ready. Now you can start uploading your items, write clear descriptions, use good lightnings for photos and stay consistent, and your sales will come up on Depop. So there you have it. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.